So on crude oil, as I said, it's a volatile market. So you can be expecting higher drawdowns, even as high as $10,000. So on a mini, it would be $5,000. So it depends how much of a drawdown you can stand. So of course you should have a portfolio. It's a quite complicated question because you always need to think in terms of portfolio, and with portfolio you will minimize the drawdown and will increase the net profit drawdown ratio. But still, if it's half size, we still are talking about building portfolios with these minis, including mini crude oil. I would say at least about $25,000 if you want to create a good, reasonable portfolio and think about it as a reasonable business. It's definitely not. I don't think that energies are for 5K account, unless you use micro. I don't know how big micros are, but of course with micro it's different. With micro,
I think the micro for crude is 1/10 of CL. I think we're still limited to just crude in micros.
I'm confident that sooner or later we will see micros on all of them, because micros are really expanding every year, and more are coming up, and energies are really very popular. So if you use micro, you need a couple of $1,000s. It's not a big deal. You can definitely start with a pretty small account with micros.
Yep. Oh, one other thing actually you should consider for capitalization in energies is sometimes the margins get changed, especially in periods of high volatility. So if you like to trade hot, you need to be careful of that, because you might get a margin call.